Hey my beauties, it's Miss Unique Beauty in the building and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I am going to go ahead and dye my roots from that red color to a dark brown black color to match my mermaid lock extensions. I did go ahead and use the L'Oreal box dye along with some 20 volume developer, and I went ahead and mixed it in my mixing bowl. I did do equal parts developer with equal parts color, and I am mixing it until it's creamy smooth. And this is me applying it to my head, and the results came out perfect. I absolutely loved how my hair matches my lock extensions. I am gonna do a retwist in my next video, so stay tuned for that. This is my custom made mermaid lock extensions inspired by the TikToker Glow Locks. I absolutely love my hair. I did make these lock extensions myself using my 4-inch lock extensions along with my raw Cambodian wavy curly bundles that I showed you guys in my previous video. I did go ahead and attach these lock extensions to my natural locks. If you guys love this video, like and follow for more. I have so much more updates coming for you guys very soon.